Hey everybody, I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use vouchers, aka coupons, aka promotional codes on TikTok. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, promotional codes, also known as coupons and vouchers, are pretty much just limited time discount gifts which you get from TikTok when you go or when you fall under a certain category. If you fit the criteria, they are awarded by the ads manager and you'll be able to use them in a few ways. This example here, which is in the TikTok Business Help Center, is quite a good one. Let's say if you get a coupon for 100,000 Japanese yen, and then you get 100 yen, 10,000 yen. You can activate that in two ways. First and foremost is the way where it's just activated automatically by the ads manager, and then it should successfully be activated when you log into your account if you have already got the voucher, and then you can just do whatever you want with that voucher, whatever is the voucher is used for. Now, there is also another way, and that is that you're going to need to manually activate the code after 14 days of receiving it. And you do that by going into or logging into your account, going into tools, clicking on payment, and then clicking the redeem coupon button. It's in the upper right corner of the page as specified here. And after you fill in your coupon code, you click activate and your coupon code will be added to your account, and you can use it in the duration that is noted on the actual coupon. But yeah, that's been about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.